Package OM Naga 2.
My name is Jordan Wong, drilling supervisor on board Naga 2.
Hi, 你好 my name is Wilson from China, Setia Pusher. 谢谢你。
Hi everyone, I'm Siva, night drilling supervisor on Petronas rig Naga 2.
My name is Nick, Gold Pusher.
My name is Rodino Yudo Mustafa. My position is bus master on Naga 2. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, saya Muhammad Azhar bin Yusof. Saya sebagai bus master di Naga 2. Terima kasih.
My name is Juan. I'm a driller here.
Nama saya Lian Anak Jampi. Posisi saya sebagai ABM.
He's my driller, Mr. Atten. I'm a Ramesh tool pusher from India.
Hi, my name is Guru Prasad. I'm working as a driller in Naga 2.
Nama saya Nasri. Kerja sini sebagai assistant driller.
Brian, position Rahman.
My name is George Griffin, safety site executive on duty for Tukau appraisal campaign.
Nama saya Jerry Mayer, Anadana, position rig welder, Naga 2.
My name is Muhammad Hazi Azizi. I'm the rig ET for Naga 2.
Nama saya Robson Reis, position rig mechanic.
Hello, my name is Sata. I'm a radio operator. Thank you.
Nama saya Devi Lungkong. Saya rig welder di Naga 2.
Kita rekro Naga 2.
Starboard forward, we test manual, all good for the fairly, all good for the fairly.
We're getting ready for anchor handling operations. You can see the buoy, anchors, extension wire within the pipe deck. Okay. So then this is the cannon wire. Okay, everything in the group. So later on when we transfer to the boat, so everything will be one set by one set, you know. Be a lot easy for the crew to identify which wire or which size of shackle going to which boat. Yeah. So you can see this is the Milai buoy clamp, right? Okay. Video Pak, video. Lu, kamu boleh lu.
Nanti ada itu.